Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Math channel. Today this question is about the differentiation of the question is the question come from one of my students, which is his exam question, DSE M2 question. Okay, let's go into this question. Given C1 is a curve with A be a constant, y equal to ax plus bx cubed, A be a constant, and C1 has a stationary point. This stationary point 2, 16 means stationary point here just mentioned the derivative of this function after putting x equal to 2 is equal to 0. No other meaning. Just here stationary point means that derivative at that point means at that point is equal to 0. Therefore, we can apply these properties to calculate the value of a and b. And the second part is claim that this point is minimum point or not. Actually, this part we can use the table. It means the first derivative test to test whether this point is maximum or minimum or neither of them, and also find the point of inflexion. I think that part A is a standard question, and I suppose my student can get this can do this question. Okay, but here I also present this question here. Okay, y equal to ax plus bx cubed, y pi a plus vbx squared, and has this curve is passed through this point. Therefore, the first equation can be, we can put x equal to 2 and y equal to 16. This is we can get the formula here, 2a plus x times b equal to 16. Simplify this equation, a plus 4b equal to x. This is equation 1. And for 2, we can put x equal to 2 into the equation equal to 0. It is this 2, 16. 16 is a stationary point. Okay, a plus 3 times b squared 2 squared. It is okay 12b equal to 0. Solving 1 and 2, we have a equal to 12 and b equal to -1. Okay, and the second part is whether this point is a minimum or not. And here I just write a table to show this is a minimum or maximum. X here, x less than 2, x greater than 2, and y pi less than 2 I put 0. 0 means it is positive, and greater than 2 I put 3. This is negative. Therefore, this point is a maximum point, which is not minimum. Therefore, I disagree. Okay, for third part, the third part is a point of inflexion. Therefore, I need to differentiate further of this function, which is 6 minus 6, and set this equal to 0. We have x equal to 0, and draw a table. I discovered that it is change sign from positive to negative. Therefore, it is actually a point of inflexion. Put 0 into this function here. Yes, put the 0, which is 0. Therefore, 0.0 is a point of inflexion. This is This is part A. Okay, then for part B, I think part B is a harsh problem. Oh, what's the matter? I make some mistake here. Okay, B. And let C2 be a curve with ax plus bx greater than 0. I think you can ignore these properties. You can just write down randomly. This is theory of everything. Write down your curve. But of course, I have said that range has this, for this range is 12x minus x greater than 0, which is equivalent to x is less than minus square root 12, or x is lie between x and 0 and square root of 12. Okay, but here, trust me, you can totally ignore this condition. You can ignore. Okay. Okay, I just randomly draw the graph. This is C. C1. I put the A and B into the function. And I use another color to put. This is C2. And then O is origin here. And the P is a moving point on C2. It means P is point here. And the vertical line pass through P cuts the C1. Here, C1 at Q. And also cut the x-axis. Yes. This is R. Okay, denote the now it is given the R moving rightward. Rightward means to this in this direction. Rightward. It means if let P the coordinate x coordinate be R here R. It means the coordinate R should be R, comma 0, and the coordinates of P is I put natural log 12R minus R cubed, and the coordinate of Q is R. Oh, I move this. 12R minus R cubed. Then, for the first part, express PQ in terms of R. Just it is easy job. This easy has ABC. PQ means this distance. Has this is vertical line, so we I just the difference of between difference of y coordinates. 12R minus R cubed minus lateral log 12R minus R cubed. And B, find the weight change of the area of triangle OPQ. OPQ means this triangle. And this triangle, I use the base times the height. Okay. Base is here. Actually, it's PQ. The height is equal to R. Therefore, I use A equal to 1/2 base times the height R. Then multiply this into the polynomial. Okay, here we know that yes, that R move rightward to rightward at 4 units. it means dr over dt equal to 4. And at the moment of r equal to 2. Therefore, I only need to differentiate this function with respect to time. Differentiate star with respect to time t. I think this it is a standard technique of differentiate something to find the weight change of differentiate something. Okay, dA over dt equal to 1 over 2 outside 12 2r chain rule dr over dt. The second part is 4r cube dr over dt. This part is by the product rule. And minus r times 1 over 12 r minus r cube and 12 minus 3 times r squared times dr over dt. Oh, so complicated, but actually it is easy, not too hard, but you can see that it is very so many terms. Okay, factorize the common factor dr over dt outside the bracket. And then 24r minus 4r cube minus natural log 12r minus r cube. The last one, simplify this 12 minus r square, 12 minus 3r square. And now when dr over dt equal to 4 and r equal to 2, then dA over dt should be equal to 1 over 2, 24 times 2 minus 4 times 2 to the power 3 minus natural log 12 times 2 minus 2 to the cube. Then minus, this is actually 0. I don't want to write too much here. And times 4. And simplify this one, I can obtain my answer, which is 32 minus x times natural log 2. Okay, very good. This is a quite complicated question. And actually, it is a section B question in M2. Okay, finally, I hope that guys can enjoy this video. If you found K.Liu's video is helpful, please subscribe my channel. My channel is Dr.K.Liu Maths English. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.